lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am doing another makeup look for you all. I hope you guys are not tired of it because I don't think I'm gonna be stopping this anytime soon because I just enjoy showing you guys makeup looks that come to my mind. But yes, today's video is going to be on the Violet VOSS Like a Boss palette, and just look at this beauty. It's so shiny. So it says Like a Boss right here, real big and cute. Yes, this is not like a new palette or anything, but I have been saying that I wanted to create a look using this palette, so I am here to do that for you guys today. At first I was going to use this palette for a fall inspired makeup look, but the eye look that came to mind was this one, and it didn't really look like a fall look for me, so I just decided to go with just using the palette. I will be doing a fall look coming up, so you guys stay tuned for that. But yes, I'm just incorporating these beautiful shades down here, mostly these two right here. They are some really beautiful mossy green toned. I actually am really drawn to that look too. I feel like I haven't really done like a smoky look or like a dark vampy smoky look in a while, so I decided to do that. Please, before you guys start watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you all start watching, and I appreciate that so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and keep on watching. Alright, you guys, jumping right into the video, we are going to use this beautiful palette from Violet VOSS. Just look at this little graphic, this part of the packaging. It's so cute. It's like blinding. I'm creating this eye look that I already done here. I feel like I haven't really done like a dark eye in a while. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work with. I know there's tons of colors, but these greens really popped out to me, so that's why I incorporated it into my eyes. Jumping into the palette, we are going to start off with the shade Serve. Nice crease shade. Going to pop down to the crease, just using like a nice fluffy brush. I'm going back into the pink pot from MAC. I tell you, I use this for everything. I'm going to cut my lid. Not all the way, I'm just gonna stop like a little bit more than halfway. Jumping into the shade Extra. I feel like this is like a nice greenish, yellowish shade, and this shade just looks so unique. It's just so pigmented. It's like I don't really need to like put water or anything to make the pigment stand out. And then go into this dark shade, this black shade called Inspo. I feel like I haven't really used black in a while. Just gonna pop this right on the outer corner. I love the black when I put it right on top of the Extra shade. It just has like a nice green effect right there in between. So I really love that. So pull that right towards the inner corner. Kind of pulling it towards the inner corners. Just actually been really liking that technique. I don't know if it really makes a difference. I don't know. I just like it. Perfect. I feel like I haven't had like this smoky eye in a while. I was debating if I wanted to go into like a dark brown or black, but I really feel like I really like this black shade. It just makes it so smoky. Alright, just stray from the eyes per usual. You guys know my routine. I'm going to work on the face. The primer is on there, and let's move on to concealer. NARS Soft Complete Concealer. Just love this concealer. You see that? I'm jumping into my favorite foundation. Using the sponge from Flower Beauty. I heard some hype about it from Kathleen Lights, so of course you already know I gotta get my hands on it. Feels really soft, so that's a plus. You guys already know stiff sponge is not the way to go. I'm using this little flat part right here. I feel like this definitely soaks up a lot of my foundation because I feel like when I use my Real Techniques or the Morphe one, it didn't really soak up that much. I feel like this one kind of does a lot. But I just love the squishiness of it. It's so soft. Kind of sad that I ruined this cute little lavender color. We're going into the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculptor Concealer. Put 3 stripes there, 3 stripes up here, on the nose, 3 down here as well. We are going next in with some contour powder, and that requires the Anastasia Powder Bronzer. This is in the shade Tawny. So we are contoured up. Then we are going with some blush, and I am going back to the old school Morphe. This is the Morphe 9N blush palette. I used to love this one so much, but you know, after a lot of blush starts coming out, started using other things. But of course, let's go back and jump into this palette. And I'm debating which one I'm going to use. I'm thinking about going into this one on top here or this one right here. I think I'm going with this one down here. Right, put some baking powder on my face, and then I'm gonna work on these brows, and I shall be back. I was able to complete some steps off camera, and I was able to do my brows. I added some lashes and a wing liner. I also added some of the Stila Magnificent Meadows Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow on top of my liners. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I added some of that on top of the liner just to add some more drama. I also put on some lashes. The lashes that I have on are the Iconics from House of Lashes, and we are going to quickly finish this look, and I'm going to work with the under eyes. So I'm going back into the darker shade called Inspo. Putting that on both sides of my eyes. I'm actually leaving the middle part so I can add some color on there. For the middle shade, I'm going in with this yellow shade called Girl Crush. It's like a nice gold shade. I'm just popping that into the center of my bottom lash line. I'm not gonna forget the inner corners, and for the inner corners I am going in with this shade called Amaze Balls. And some light onto the inner corners. We are going in with some highlighter, and I'm going back to the old school mirror luminizer from the Balm. Lastly, for lips, I am going in with the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Desert Suede. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know. So refreshing because I am dying under these lights. Okay, and this concludes the look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, I did use this beautiful palette, and I hope you guys pick up some Violet VOSS palettes because they are pretty good. This is actually my first and only Violet VOSS palette, but the pigmentation and the blendability of this palette is really nice, and I've heard really good reviews and hype about these palettes and how pigmented they are, and I just picked them up and I love it so much, and I hope you guys pick them up as well. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.